Welcome to the Info of Infinix Smart 6 HD, and I'll show you how to turn on Always On Display feature on this device. So first, let's just open the Play Store, because unfortunately we have now installed by default the AID feature. That's why we should get the application from the Play Store. And now here we should enter the Move with Edge. And now we should get this application. That's why here tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. Then just tap here to open the app and click Draw Our Apps. Then click here to move with such application and tap once on the switcher. After that, just go back to the application and switch and select your theme here in AID section. Tap here to select the theme and click to apply. After that, let's just lock the device. Press twice on the power key button. Okay, tap here to allow first. And now we can see that the Always On Display feature is successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.